said, the double break is back! Double break confirmed. Austin said it's the best. Waited on the retest, like he said to do. 1 minute candle closed, and I knew it was true. I pulled the trigger clean, didn't flinch, didn't stray. A double break set up, paid again today. The double break is back, back. Ooh. Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. See the weak hands bail when the first break fails. They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the BSC stays locked. We've seen this before. Double break means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the FFX way. Double break put money in my account today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, VWAP now. That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me! Wow! Hit it! I said the double break! Double break! Take it to the bridge! Double break! One more time now! Double break! It's back! Stay on the one! Woo! Black shirt club! Woo! SFX! Somebody tell Austin thank you! The double break is back! Said the double break is back! Back! A black shirt club already knew it! Watch how Austin do it! The double break is back! Back, 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 back. Take it down now! Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. SFX.
Shout out Randy. Hey, JB James Bruce. Evan Dye on the screens. Let's go SFX. Let's go Austin. Black Shirt Club. We up. Love me wet. She the only line I need on my chart. Love me wet. She tell me where to enter. She tell me when to start. Love me wet. Black Shirt Club. We only trade with a plan. Ash Flex, Black Shirt Club. Discipline, patience, execution. We above New York. Stay long. Let's go.
Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weekends make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free,
I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Hey, out here, boys, the drinks are on me.
funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed and tried to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. They saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle, boner candle. Stocks got trigger topping bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC when nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more. But nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask him why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle, boner candle. Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black shirt club. Never forget. The boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey! I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal unless you go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. The wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for profit payouts, and no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green print like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back like a broad-head in heaven. Every scar's a story, every setback's a lesson. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my gun. Full draw, hold steady, this is how it's done.
Like a shoreline move. If Christ holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. V-Wap, it's the line I trust. V-Wap, when it clean and dust. V-Wap, I don't need a guide. V-Wap, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. That's fat fix in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. V-Wap, that's the line I trust. V-Wap, when it clean and dust. V-Wap, I don't need a guide. V-Wap, that's my edge, my test. Wrong side once, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup and walk away. That's the line I trust. V-Wap, when it clean and dust. V-Wap, I don't need a guide. V-Wap, that's my edge, my test.
Oh, yeah, all right. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Setting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. V-Wap rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Oh, once, you wait. When it comes back to tests, you wait. When it breaks, what now? That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. Ooh. The setup never stops working. Somebody tell Austin, thank you. The double break is back. Said the double break is back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. Take it down now. Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. As effects. Woke up on the couch with my boots still on. Phone on my chest, 3% gone. Chased a red candle like a dog chases cars. Caught it with my teeth, now I'm wearing the scars. Coffee's cold, price colder. Margin call sitting like a chip on my shoulder. Told my wife it was one more trade. That was 5 trades back and a paycheck ago, babe. Cause a man don't learn when the winning comes easy. He learns in the dirt where it's ugly and greasy. I slept on the charts last night, blew it all up in the red screen light. Revenge don't pay, but Lord I tried. Bought the top and I bought the light. Yeah, the market don't care about your broken heart. It'll take your last dime in the dark. If you ain't got rules, you ain't got a prayer. So I slept on the charts last night, and I woke up there. And Grandpa broke horses, never broke his words. The son of wild ones only hear what they wanna hear. I was a wild one clicking that mouse, betting the barn to win back the house. Ain't no different than a bar fight friend, swinging at a ghost you can't ever pin. The screen don't bleed, but brother you will if you trade your plan for a cheap shot thrill. Cause a man don't learn when the winning comes easy. He learns in the dirt where it's ugly and greasy. I slept on the charts last night, blew it all up in the red screen light. Revenge don't pay, but Lord I tried. Bought the top and I bought the light. Yeah, the market don't care about your broken heart. It'll take your last dime in the dark. If you ain't got rules, you ain't got a prayer. So I slept on the charts last night, and I woke up there. Two losses, I walk away. 3 trades, it's all I take. 5 micros, now 1 more. That's the lock I put on that door. Cause discipline ain't a cage, it's a key. And the man in the mirror was robbing me. So I burned that version of me to the ground. Built a plan out of ashes, nailed
held it down. Now the red days come and the red days go, but they don't own me anymore. Let's go! One night, woke up humbled in the morning light. Revenge don't pay, now I know why. The plan's the truth and the till's the lie. Cause the market don't care, so I gotta care more. Guard my stops like I guard my door. Got rules on the wall and a debt-free prayer. I slept on the charts one night, but I don't live there. I don't live there no more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Track the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one cord. Opening range set up like a block. I control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like Prada moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move the minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. Weak hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, gotta start, read the tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side getting towed up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening range is the territory. VWAP is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the VWAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only two. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York VWAP, the signal when the time is getting right. In 5 minutes, trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. VWAP, opening range. Double break, it's astronomical. We already ate.
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. Woo! I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Pre-market looking clean. Sharpest dressed trader that the pop firm ever seen. V-wap like a river and I'm fishing in the bin. Drew my level perfect, now I'm waiting for the trend. Micro E-mini, I don't play with the big dogs yet. But I'm stacking up the payouts on the funded account set. 3 months in the challenge like a prison doing time. 1 green day away from touching freedom on a dime. Then this phone go off like a grenade in the quiet room. True social notifications spell my account's doomed. Straight up horn moves, general, something about a deal. NQ fell 100 points before my mind could feel. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I am not a trader, I am a trading experience. That's the prop firm risk, that's about my level of persistence. Discipline, patience, execution, that's the trinity. But ain't no candle pattern for presidentialicity. I study price action like a preacher study scripture. Every morning pour the chart and paint a perfect picture. Support and resistance, I can teach it in my sleep. Then one post about terror in my account 6 feet deep. Real talk, I had to set above the century. NQ at value, trend was elementary. Finger on the mouse like I'm about to change my life. Then the commander-in-chief went and brought a knife. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I've been staring at these candles since the early morning hours. Back tested every setup, calculated all the powers. Taught me more about patience than a Bloomberg terminal. But patience don't mean nothing when the news is terminal. They say the market prices and all available information. Nobody priced in 3 a.m. True social notifications. I am the best trader that you never heard of yet. Give me back my funded account. Session open. Session open. New York VWAP arriving. Tick by tick, the value's alive and thriving. Overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. BOC sent to VAH, climb and steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closes, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking 1 by 1. Tick level true.
That's how it's done.
Come on. The tick don't lie, can't stop, the value's live. BOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running loud, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. BOC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking 1 by 1. Tick level truth.
That's how it's done.
Hey. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's live. BOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Come on, hey! Don't lie. VAH, don't lie. VAL, don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop, the tick don't lie.
ain't irate. Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found the SFX, found BSC too. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes at the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what VNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. Hey, all I need is the VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the rains, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. Hey, it ain't the indicators, no. It's the patience in your soul. Wait for the setup, let it show. Right side of the well, watch it roll. All I need is a VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. One line, VWAP, 930 patience pay out. BSC.
Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled in my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weekends make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, the future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and
free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose, right? So I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, truck running loud down a county road. Payout hit boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. That's right. Yeah. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free,
Yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down a county road. Payout hit boys, the drinks are on me.
funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC when nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Fuck it, boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black shirt club. Never forget. The boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey! I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal unless you go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. The wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for proper payouts, and no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green plan like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back like a broadhead in heaven. Every scar's a story, every setback's a lesson. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. This is how it's done. Let's go to full draw. Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. Be wet, it's the line I trust. Be wet, when it clean and dust. Be wet, I don't need a guess. Be wet, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the track. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. Fat flex in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. Be wet, it's the line I trust. Be wet, when it clean and dust. Be wet, I don't need.
Oh yeah, alright. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's played. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Oh, payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle, don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. The same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Charts don't lie, that's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah, ooh yeah, we're trading on. Steady as the sun, this groove goes on and on.
Yeah! I said, the double break is back! Ha! set up late again today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. See the weak hands bail when the first break fails. They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the BSC stays locked. We've seen this before. Double break means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested. Volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean. You know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience. That's the FFX way. Double break put money in my account today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, VWAP now. That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me. Wow. Hit it. I said the double break. Double break. Take it to the bridge. Double break. One more time now. Double break is bounce down the water. Woo! Black shirt club. Woo! SFX. Somebody tell Austin. Thank you. The double break is back. Said the double break is back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Take it down now. Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. SFX. Woke up on the couch with my boots still on. Phone on my chest, 3% gone. Chased a red candle like a dog chases cars. Caught it with my teeth, now I'm wearing the scars. Coffee's cold, price colder. Margin call sitting like a chip on my shoulder. Told my wife it was one more trade. That was 5 trades back in a paycheck ago, babe. Cause a man don't learn when the winning comes easy. He learns in the dirt where it's ugly and greasy. I slept on the charts last night. Blew it all up in the red screen light. Revenge don't pay, but Lord I tried. Bought the top and I bought the light. Yeah, the market don't care about your broken heart. It'll take your last dime in the dark. You ain't got rules, you ain't got a prayer. So I slept on the charts last night, and I woke up there. And Grandpa broke horses, never broke his words. The son of wild ones only hear what they want to hear. I was a wild one clicking that mouse, betting the barn to win back the house. Ain't no different than a bar fight friend, swinging at a ghost you can't ever pin. The screen don't bleed, but brother you will if you trade your plan for a cheap Revenge don't pay, but Lord, I tried. Bought the top and I bought the lie. Yeah, the market don't care about your broken heart. It'll take your last dime in the dark. If you ain't got rules, you ain't got a prayer. So I slept on the charts last night and I woke up there. 2 losses, I walk away. 3 trades, it's all I take. 5 micros, now 1 more. That's the lock I put on that door. 'Cause discipline ain't a cage, it's a key. And the man in the mirror was robbing me. So I burned that version of me to the ground. Built a plan out of ashes, nailed it down. Now the red days come and the red days go, but they don't own me anymore. Let's go! Yeah, I slept on the top one night, woke up humbled in the morning light. Revenge don't pay, now I know why. The plan's the truth and the till's the lie. 'Cause the market don't care, so I gotta care more. Guard my stops like I guard my door. Got rules on the wall and a debt-free prayer. I slept on the charts one night, but I don't live there. No, I don't live there no more. S&P 500 want some more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Track the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off 1 core. Opening range set up like a block. I control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like pride of moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move them minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. We hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off 1 cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, got a story to tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP, like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side, getting towed up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed, like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening range is the territory. VWAP is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the VWAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only 2. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York VWAP, the signal when the time is getting right. In 5 minutes, trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning.
opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. Beware. Open the range. Double break. It's astronomical. We already ate.
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. Woo! I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Pre-market looking clean. Sharpish drip.
Yeah. We lost one today, BSC. Austin's double break long. She held us down for so long, man. Pour one out. Yeah. Yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend. She held us out through every NY trend. Saw you area high, she never let us down. Double break confirmed, we never used to frown. Austin called it clean, structure looks so right. But the market took her home last night. I'll tell you all about it when we see you again. Double break long, we gon' see you again. Beat rap held tight, but she faded in the end. We gon' see you again. We gon' see you again. Yeah. She filled our orders, gave us pay our days. Ran through value area in the most beautiful ways. Randy watched the charge, JB had to scream. BSC was crying, you know what I mean. Austin kept his cool, took the loss like a pro. But deep in the chat, everybody know SFX lost a homie today. Double break long, just faded away. She gave us everything, every single run. And now the market closed and the damage is done. Rest easy setup. You would've won. She was consistent, man. She was always there. Double break long, gone, but never forgotten. BSC.
Shout out Austin Silver. Black Shirt Club. Acid Fix. Watch the range. Watch the view out. Let's go. Double break. Double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break. Double break. View out in the middle. That's the Golden Gate. Let's go. Double break. Double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let you wait. Let's go. Double break, asset fix, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. Yeah, 15-minute rain set up at the bell. Bears pushed it under, trying to send it to hell. We can't fold it, stop that, they fell. Austin just smile, cause he know the spell. Price claim to be whack, like it always do. Now the top of the range is coming in the view. Break that ceiling, confirmation true. 5 minutes loaded, bro, you already knew. Or low got broke, that's the first trap set. Shook the loans out, got them soaking wet. View at reclaim, that's your signal, yeah. Double break incoming, you can take that bet. Double break, price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. View app in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. Asset fix, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. He don't trade scared, he don't trade small. 2 to 5 minutes when he gets the call. Most people watching, he's already in the hall, taking what the market gives, that's all. First break, fake out, shipping Ricky's out. Second break, top side, that's when he spouts. No hesitation when the signal's loud.
Austin in the chat in the BSC crowd, they said the range broke, it's bearish now. He said, nah, watch the VWAP, show you how. Reclaim, confirm, he's sizing up right now. Double break, activated, take a bow. First break takes you out of QE. Second break pays out of QC. VWAP is the pivot every week. Trust the system, trust the technique. Bears got trapped on the bottom side. Bulls took over on the VWAP ride. Broke the top and let the runners fly. Austin Silver, don't ask questions why. Double break, price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the golden gate. Double break, double break, double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. SFX, black shirt club, we already ate. I've been studying the rain since the RTH open. Beware my compass when the market's broken. Every double break a brand new token. BSC the cool and Austin Silver spoken. They out here guessing, I'm out here knowing. VWAP above New York, the money flowing. 2 to 5 minis and the accounts growing. Black shirt club, you already know where I'm going. Reclaim the line and we break the tie. Bears exhausted, we ain't gonna stop. Double break set up at the peak and dry. SFX, living and we never flop. SFX. Black shirt club, double break. Trust the VWAP, Austin Silver built it. Discipline, patience, execution. Let's go. Let's go.
Friday 4 o'clock, the candles all went dark. Closed my last position, now there's nothing on the charts. Everybody's headed down a dirt road, cooler in the bed. I'm sitting on the porch with the dime stuck in my head. They're chasing Friday night neon lights, man, I'm chasing the bell. 2 days of quiet is a special kind of hell. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Saturday I'm journaling trays I already took. Back testing setups, reading my playbook. Wife says you're obsessing, yeah, she's probably right. But discipline don't take a day off, it just waits for the light. Black shirt in the closet like a jersey on the wall. 2 more sleeps till the opening call. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Yeah. Sunday 6 o'clock, futures open up the door. Crack a cold, won't watch them glow. Bakes, candles glow. Alarm set early, plan rolled out, clean, rested. Hungry, dangerous, you know what I mean. Well, back on Monday, back on Monday. London through New York, let the levels play. Fresh week, fresh mind. Same rules, patience pays the ones who keep it cool. Hated the weekend, love the grind. Now the bell is ringing and the setup's mine. We're back on Monday, back on Monday. We're back on Monday. Back
Clocked out at sunrise, eyes barely open. Chart on my phone while the coffee's still brewing. Nobody knew what I carried it at work. Grinding 2 jobs, one of them hurt. But I sat with the losses, I sat with the pain. Learned that the market don't care about my name. Either I show up sharp or I bleed. Discipline wasn't a want, it was a need. Every red day taught me something true. You don't beat the market, you become someone new. Had to kill the ego, had to slow it down. Turn the chaos into something I could crown. Now I'm free, build a candle by candle. Traded tight nights for a life I can handle. Watch the chart turn me into a better man. Patient discipline, playing the long game plan. I don't chase the highs, I don't fear the lows. I bought my time back, that's how the story goes. From the struggle to the win, I did it my way. Financially free, and I got my time today. We used to trade half-time between the work shifts. Now the work's behind me, I made the pivot. It took losses stacking before I found my edge. Almost gave it up, standing on the ledge. But the market forced the best out of me. Showed me who I was when nobody could see. No excuses left, no more fooling myself. Build my own freedom, put my ego on the shelf. Every red day taught me something true. You don't beat the market, you become someone new. Had to kill the ego, had to slow it down. Turn the chaos into something I could crown. Now I'm free, build a candle by candle. Traded tight nights for a life I can handle. Watch the chart turn me into a better man. Patient discipline, playing the long game plan. I don't chase the highs, I don't fear the lows. I bought my time back, that's how the story goes. From the struggle to the win, I did it my way. Financially free, and I got my time. To the version of me clocking in half dead, chasing green candles just to stay ahead. I see you now, and I'm proud of that fight. 'Cause you turned every dark shift into light. This ain't luck, this is years in the making. Every rule I honor, every edge I didn't break. Now I'm free, built a candle by candle. Traded tight nights for a life I can handle. Watch the chart turn me into a better man. Patient discipline, playing the long game plan. I don't chase the highs, I don't fear the lows. I bought my time back, that's how the story goes. Home with my family, that was always the goal. Financially free, and finally whole.
Session open. Session open. New York VWAP arriving. Tick by tick, the value's alive and thriving. Overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. BOC set to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closes, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth.
That's how it's done.
Come on. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's high. BOC, BAH, BAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, BTC.
Every day.
Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running loud, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. VOC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth.
That's how it's done.
Hey,
Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found the SFX, found BSC2. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. DSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes at the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me.
Muted. There we go. What's up? Just talking to myself for a second. Good morning, everybody. Thanks, guys. Thanks. I'm good now. Jack, what's up? Connor, what up? Nate, thanks for the good review. That's all I really said was, Nate, thank you for the super nice review on Trustpilot, dude. Made me laugh. It's really good. So thank you. But yeah, everybody, if you didn't know, with Top 1 Futures, I started this yesterday. If you use the code ASFX with Top 1 Futures, you're going to enter yourself every time you buy in a $1,000 drawing. 3 winners will be picked at the end of the month. So, but you guys know we're going to hang out this morning, get myself set up. Just check this news here. ADP employment 44. Previous was revised to 95. Forecast was 65. So weak on the jobs. U.S. Treasury says there's 125 billion of quarterly refunding. Some sources indicate reporting incident in Red Sea. This has to be one of the biggest moves in 3 days that we've seen in a while. Has to be.
What's up? Good morning.
What's up, dude?
Anything overnight? Nothing?
No, nothing
Nice.
overnight.
Nice long still.
Yeah, isn't it crazy?
Yeah, I was looking at, ES looks clean too. NQ had like a quick retest to its overnight not too long ago. Wasn't at the desk. 7 a.m.
SpaceX is down 12. Didn't Randy want to buy calls on SpaceX? He's down 12% on those now. Fuck. AMD is down 7. Intel. So same thing as Monday, right? Wasn't Monday the day of this week? The chips were down. Everything else was green on the board. Now you see same kind of thing a little bit today. But after yesterday, what do you expect, dude? Where's Palantir? It's flat this morning. 20, 30% yesterday. Where'd it finish? 30%?
Just about, yeah.
Crazy. That was so funny, though, wasn't it? Where Jay was like, I bet you I know one guy in the group who complained about the comment, and it was you.
That's just weird, though, because, like, how?
Vanilla. Because
What about-
he's Indian, and he sees you as, like, this white boy vanilla shit. You know what I mean? I got some swag. Like, I blend in. You know what I'm saying?
I just never have done that before, so it's just weird.
I know. I thought it was funny. But I was like, there's no way he's going to say Randy, because he thinks Randy's, like, one of his own. You know what I'm saying? And, like, they fuck around together. You know what I mean? So he's going to say, I could just tell by the way it was phrased. I was like, I'm going to guess Evan.
I mean, when you said it, it's like, yeah, it's fine. But when you're like brought up of like, should we? I'm like, yeah, what's the harm in cutting it out? No harm. Better safe than sorry.
So check out the
Hold on.
indicator down here, bro. I changed it.
To what?
I'll make it in the update now. If you update your trading view for the test indicator, I have the double break selected now. So we'll see how that's painting. And then I gave him some feedback on how I want it to paint, so that might change. But now I have ESNQYM percent change, which isn't working right now unless turned on. No, that's, I guess that's just because the market's closed technically. Put volume on there too.
So
And
quick.
then see how this paints.
Want something done to it? Boom. Here you go. It's
Yeah, no,
updated.
they're good. No, they're good.
So let's see. Yeah, I was
Also, I got
an update.
Let's change to this. I got some new music for us. I created a new mix and also got
You?
it higher quality. Ben sent me a new song, and Bill sent me a song as well. Alex, good morning. Good morning. But yes, everybody, I just want you to know about this ASFX. I'm going to talk about it all month because this is something we've never done before. Basically, like trying to make it even better for you guys at Top One Futures. If you use our code, you're going to get a chance to win every time you buy. You could buy their fucking $40 accounts, and that wins you $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So I think this is a good giveaway. We were going to do it at 500, and I just felt very cheap, only giving away 500, right, Ev? So now we upped it to 1,000.
So
Yes, you
with
see
the double
Chris-
break box, what's it going to set?
I don't know. I don't know what they
have.
have it set to right now, but I sent him a message this morning of what I want it to say.
Here's what's different. You just have what? Price, volume, and double break? No VWAPs?
Yeah, let's put it back on YM yesterday and see what it looks like. Just go to yesterday's. 2 double breaks this week on YM.
Yeah. And they still continue back higher.
Yep. Well, the one yesterday was long. The one the day before was short. Yeah, the music sounds better now. The
Highlights
quality
the
of the
candle that you should get out on. That's pretty good. Where should I hold this till? Well, when it lights up green, get out.
Yeah, so like look right here in the replay mode, it says target hit on YM yesterday when I go into replay mode. See, because it hit the target right there. But then these ones, VWAP was outside the range, so it just says VWAP outside, which disqualifies the double break setup.
So this one says long running. When like you rewind it to like 4 candles after the entry when it's pushing higher.
Like right in here, it should still say long.
Yeah, wherever
running.
it says long running, so like it's in play. But then what's high swept? Do you have NQ still on yours?
Yeah, it'll pull up in a second. Mine doesn't say high swept. Mine says VWAP outside.
Outside of what?
The range. Because at this moment, I would guess yesterday, New York VWAP was out of the range already on ES and NQ. By 10:45 yesterday? Yeah.
Well, yeah, maybe by the time you did it. So yeah, if I rewind
This,
it a little bit
like,
more.
look, the indicator is taking right from this moment of where I have, which is 10:35 yesterday.
I have it sooner than that, like right here when it's just happened.
Yeah, what's
right
it
here,
say?
says high swept on NQ though.
Just screenshot that and text it to Michael real quick and just ask him what does that mean.
It's like high swept because the VWAP's not outside, but yeah, I'm sure it eventually does.
That's what it means. Yeah, see,
And
now
then
the
it goes
VWAP's
VWAP
outside.
outside.
Yeah.
But then
So
what
high swept should just be
price
like-
actions outside of it?
Yeah, that's what it means. It means highs taken.
And yeah, long running. You see there's a long running on YM this whole time.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So we know if it's in play over there or not. And then we could technically add more boxes and then have it on more assets, you know?
Yeah. And then once it hits, target hit. And I guess it would probably say stop loss hit if it was the reverse, but yeah. Okay. I don't know if I need price here.
Mine's not showing that target hit. I wonder why.
When it played out.
Yeah. I'm just going to look back and see if we can find any on oil or gold. I'm just interested.
Well, it should show. I mean, I was
Yes,
just on
you have a
balance
double-
here. It just showed up. Yeah. Here yesterday on oil. Was this right now? Yeah.
Yeah, is that crude oil yesterday?
Looks the same as YM. Let's see here. You're in the long. Stop loss is at the low. Well, it's not gonna. I don't have it on this part of it.
Yeah, it's just CL1.
So there's a long running.
Yeah, look at that. Tickle me. That's crazy.
Took me intrigued. Yeah, and then it plays out. There's the candle you should get out on the green one.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to all black candles with all this color shit. You already got too many colors on here for me. It's
Well, I turned the entry one white. I'll probably do the same to exit or something. Because also like the stop loss lines and the TP, it's nice that it's red and green, but I just keep it white. All right, how about gold? Anyone take a double break yesterday? Double break that didn't play out. I'm on a Wanda here.
What?
I want to find a double break that
Highlight
loses.
Oh, that's the candle that reaches stop loss or TP. I see that now. Okay, so you could just make all of it orange. They're paving the road today. Finally, I think.
The whole road?
Yeah, like because like because there's it's new construction, so they waited to paint it until everybody's driveways were done and everything. You know what I mean? Now we're finally there.
Come on, gold. Give me a
What's up,
loser.
Mustang?
I don't see any losers on gold.
I'm looking at silver yesterday. I think there's a loser on silver.
Well, yesterday on gold, it just didn't even finish.
Yeah, what are you looking at? Like, get off of
I'm on,
this
on replay mode still.
Oh, that's why. Yeah.
So then
It
it
does
play
hit.
out right there.
Yeah, it hit.
But it's a double break short. Stop loss at the high. You go through drawdown, but
Yo, it's frozen. Yeah, dude, I'm in replay mode. Who's smoking the za this morning?
no, I'm like, why is it not going past 10:30?
Do I have a
didn't
long
realize I was still
circular
on.
driveway? No, I got a long straight driveway, dude. Nothing circular, nothing not straight.
Circular
here,
driveway.
Okay. Now that would be nice though. It'd be a bitch to
cul-de-sac?
plow it. Yeah, like your own cul-de-sac, I guess, if you need to go anywhere. The thing is I don't leave the house that often, so my car just sits there. You know.
Yeah.
Gold opens at a different ES. Should BYP go range open? Yeah, it probably is different numbers too. I'm looking at silver yesterday. Let's take a look at that. Oh, this is the new song. Ready?
That's the part that counts.
It's like some Imagine Dragon shit.
Yeah.
Little Linkin Park.
Alarm at 4, coffee black, screen glow on my face. Everybody still asleep, I'm out here mapping out the range. Same chair, same chart, same seat, same stains, different day, same voice asking, man, is this gonna change? I got a plan on a page and a scar on the balance of my patience and the losses, cause the market don't hand it, took the trade, took the hit, wrote it down, kept the balance, cause I'm dying with the journalism, man, breaking promise, they see the payout screenshot, they don't see the 12 months, the blown and cap, the breach, the silence in the truck, driving home from a job that I'm out growing on purpose, telling myself under my breath, this a process, not a purchase. Every red day's a rap, every rule is a road. Every no I tell myself is a yes that I own. It will be worth it. It will be worth it. That's what I
It's a little dramatic for me. It's a little dramatic for me, but it's fine.
So there was a loser on silver yesterday. Is that what you have pulled up? No.
That's what I have.
a,
Yeah.
I have a short from last Thursday.
This is yesterday, a long here, out here.
Oh, yeah. So it's going to be, if you have like the exit bar for a loss is red, you already have red bars.
Now you're thinking, Evan.
Just a simple switch.
I think everything should just be yellow. The triggers, the exits, it should be yellow. Yellow stands out the most.
Yeah.
Make it like that. Yeah, like that. See? Yellow trigger, green, red, black. Target blue stops yellow.
Do whatever you want.
Whatever,
And whatever
you want.
color you make it, it
Wow.
changes it in the dashboard too. Like it says target hit now in yellow. Since I changed the exit candle to yellow for a win or for a loss.
Huh.
I should just. Oh no, I'm on
We should
my
use
app.
white then. Let's just use white. What if we just did white?
That's what I have the entry candle as because I have red and black still. So let's just make it a simple white because the stop loss levels and take profit levels I have at white. I don't want colors. Already got a blue VWAP and a purple VWAP sometimes. Keep it nice and clean.
Let's see.
So I was even looking to see. I think you could for stop loss. Yeah, you can get rid of the price labels, and then just gonna be the lines of where everything should be.
There we go. What do you think of that?
Black, white, yeah. Is that like thickness 2? But think if it's on like the slimmest thickness, it's gonna be like invisible behind the opening range that paints.
Right.
So you gotta just make sure you have it turned up a bit.
I almost think it should be all white. And then that way, if
That's
someone
all.
has a different chart layout than us, then
Just keep it simple. I like the tag, keeping it green and red. I know you changed that yesterday. Long signal green. Oh, wait, if I hover over, it tells you where to put the stuff with the numbers too. You see
Yeah.
that?
yeah.
And the result still open.
77.90 kicking off the day, everybody. 77.90 below has a fat chunk of orders on it right now. Well, I know we're playing with this indicator and stuff. This will be out for you guys in the next week. We're going to issue this update to all of our customers, and then I got the lifetime sale coming for you guys too.
And who the hell was long? 5 a.m. Anybody?
No,
Beautiful. Push away. Pull back.
sleeping.
Go.
Who's long? I'm
Simple.
sleeping.
What does this look like on the daily? Jeez. Nice.
Strong.
Just moved sideways for 56 days. And it took 4 days to break us from the bottom to the top. Crazy. And Q still got some space. YM's at an all-time high. I mean, if this makes a new all-time high from here, that's going to be a crazy looking bounce off the start of year view up. Like, barely, if it even did touch it. And now it took the all-time high view up yesterday. So let's keep on along in it. Also, this move up was called an even 8,000 points. So 4,000, 50% of that. It's right here. This is half the move up. Pretty much where it pulled back to. Trace half the move. Continue back higher.
It's me messaging in the group chat. Sending Mike stuff about the indicator.
I think my long yesterday afternoon was in here. Fucking crazy. You see all this rip. Scalp a little bit more.
Yeah, so real quick, just come back to my screen. Look, I think I'm going to have him do this as the default.
Mm-hmm.
And And then when you hit play on this, this one lost. So now what will it look like when this reloads? Song is sick.
Your internet is wild.
Huh?
Your internet's so slow. So now you got light.
It's just the indicator updating. My internet's fast.
So now what's the other red? Oh, it says high swept still on that other NQ.
Yeah, because at this moment on NQ, whatever's going on, this is silver.
And then ES, the VOP is outside the range. So it's just
Yeah.
telling you 3 different stories.
Mm-hmm. All right. I think I'm good with it for now. Let's rock with it for today and see how it goes. Everybody, if you didn't hear this morning, you can use the code ASFX with Top 1 Futures now. The rest of this month, every time you buy, it's going to enter you in this giveaway we're doing. And 3 people will be picked on September 1st to win $1,000 cash. So every time you buy, doesn't matter what size account, doesn't matter how many, each entry, each purchase is an entry, as long as you use the code ASFX. I was looking at adding more accounts to my copy trader, and I'm looking at the my funded futures plans. None of them seem to fit what I like to do. Have you ever looked at their shit, Evan?
I feel like I did when Zarb traded with them. I never bought one. Never had
They
one.
have three accounts, right? So they have the rapid account, which has intraday drawdown in the funded. Hate that. So let's just scratch that for now. Okay? Because that's not anything that we really fuck with. The pro account, bi-weekly payouts, end of day drawdown, 2-day pass in the eval, and then like I just gave you the stuff when you're funded. This one also doesn't seem like it's for me, which usually the more expensive one is the best one. But this one, the main draw of that, look at what it says, highest payout potential. Like if you click on that page, they market it as use this account so that your biggest day, you can maximize it and take all the money out because it's up to 100K in payouts. So I don't think that really does it for me either. How often do I have a massive day and make all of my gains in one day? It's not the way I trade. So that literally defaulted me to their cheapest plan, the Builder plan, which is end-of-day drawdown, paid every 48 hours, 2-day payouts, 50% consistency and funded. Max drawdown looks like it can be tweaked up to 2K. This seems to be the one that actually aligns with us the most, their Builder plan. 1 day to pass, every 48 hours is when you can get paid, and then 5 payouts and you get pulled up to live. 80-20 live split. See, hit $3,000 profit target in 1 day, whatever. Up to 2K payout for the first payout, and then 5 of those until you go live. So you hit 3K, $2,000 drawdown standard, trade up to 5 payout cycles, each payout's between 500 and 2,000, 50% consistency at each stage, 5 clean payouts triggers live transition. You following me?
Yeah, I'm on the website.
Yeah, and then this one, look,
So cheap.
down here in the bottom, this is what got my attention. Buffer in funded, right? You can have it at 1,600, bro. That's one of the lower buffers for a 50K account that I've seen, like a flex account or anything like that.
So you start taking payouts after 1,600 was made?
Once you're funded,
Anything
the
above?
buffer is 1,600, and then payout is anything $500 above the buffer. See?
2,100 bucks.
So that's why it says 2,100. Got it. Okay. But that's if you buy the add-on. I don't know. Then you compare this, though, to Top 1 Futures. Top 1 Futures for that price has a better account, I think. The access accounts, $40. Pass in 1 day, same thing, $35 for a reset. It has an activation fee, so I wonder if that one hasn't. Does this have an activation fee?
Yeah, because if not, things like $80 all in. It's crazy. $63 for a 50K builder.
Right.
80-20 split. What's the payout on it? Anything above 500, you said? But like, is there a max you could take out?
2,000. I was just thinking, like, what would blend into these other evals and the instant fundeds that I have on my copier right now? That, like, what aligns the most? Because you can only buy so many. I'm maxed out with Lucid. I'm maxed out with Top 1. You know what I mean? Like, Yeah, no activation. $63. Interesting. I think if I had to buy one from here, I think it would be these. The cheaper ones, which is funny because usually I'm going for the more expensive one. You know?
Yeah.
Trade up to
I mean,
5.
the easiest path for like first payout, which is normally not the accounts you go with. It's the one to maximize payouts are quickest.
The builder plan is the easiest path to funding in the prop space and the only plan with a fixed payout ladder to live. 5 rungs, each up to 2K, then a real account. It only has a 1-day minimum on the eval and a $1,000 soft pause daily loss limit, and then an 80-20 split. Rapids pays daily with a 90-10 split, no fixed ladder, but it has an intraday trailing drawdown. The Pro is the highest cap at 100K in its own path to live. Can I have more than one builder? No, the builder is limited to one active builder. The plan is for focus, not for stacking multiple evals.
One account? Interesting.
That's the drawdown. One account. Where do they put that in here? That's a little hidden thing. Max live account one.
After you try to buy a second one.
Right. There you go. This is good for beginners. Okay, so let's go back. Then maybe I do look at the Pro. Maybe I'm missing something here.
Yes, new high day with 20 minutes until the open. What do we
Fucking
do today?
Christ, bro.
Double break short.
I talked to Tanner yesterday on the phone. He called me. We talked for like 40 minutes. We were just catching up on some shit. And I said to him, I was like, dude, I think old Austin would have been torched on a week like this. Like, I'm almost positive because I would have tried to short it. Yeah. When it rips higher for 2 days in a row, at some point I convince myself to sell it and I get fucking rolled. So he's had a rough go. So he's back on all props. He put his personal capital aside and everything. But I was saying to him, I'm like, I think it's just maturity at some point. It keeps you from trying to repeat those mistakes, you know?
Yeah. It's like I'd rather just lose a long than lose a short. Because I think on Monday he hit loss. I'm like, what did he do?
Yeah, no, shorten it.
Shorts, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, so this Pro account, no daily loss limit, no consistency, defined 3 payouts to live, 0 activation fee. Trade no daily loss limit, payouts unlock 14 days from your first trade. That's the thing here with this account. So you can pass it quick in 2 trading days, but then you have to trade for 14 days.
Jeez. Calendar days or traded days?
Let's find
Hopefully calendar. There's no way. Make it trade 14 days.
50K, eval 3K, 2K, 50% consistency in eval. So it's 2-day pass, no activation. Max loss in sim funded 2,000. Max contracts 5. Required buffer 2,100. 14 days from first trade and buffer cleared. Doesn't say calendar or not. Okay, so maybe these are the best accounts for us then, bro. Because at this one, you would like, look, live account funding range 2K to 5K on a 50K account. Still no activation. You can take up to 100K in payouts, and all you have to do is just trade the account for a month, basically. How many of these can you have? Why is there a 14-day window? 14-day window, it gives end-of-day drawdown time to settle. You need to have cleared. It's 14 calendar days or buffer cleared. Blue Row Capital is the live brokerage partnership they have. But it doesn't say how many of these I can have. Good morning from Mozambique. Need Tanner back on the streams. We've taken a lot of payouts, bro. You know, so we're going to try to keep focused on that. I love him, but we're not going to get distracted by his emotions. He's very, he's good on his own stream. If Evan was like me, more like me, then it would not work. You know what I mean? You got to have the right balance of everybody.
If I was more like you, what wouldn't work?
You're much more calm than I am. So you balance my higher energy.
Gotcha.
Don't distract me. I'm trying to find this fucking information, everybody. God, don't fucking...
Just ask Claude. As someone that's
Well,
traded with them.
I don't trust Claude when it comes to this shit.
The day you don't trust Claude is a dark day in hell.
Pro plans get funded in one day for a limited time, no consistency, and just a $4,000 profit target. Pro plan, 1 day add-on. Yeah, it's 14 calendar days.
Yeah, it's a little better. Look, James is traded with them now. Maybe not futures now.
No, probably not futures.
I guess just Zach, really.
I might get one of these. 14 days goes by fast. The more you think about it, the more you'd be like, what the fuck? You know what I mean? The only con is you still have to pass an eval. This would be a great account for me if it was instant funded with these other rules on their funded. Just the bullshit you're going to have to go through to go make this 3K on the eval phase. But whatever. I make 3K in a month. I can get it done this month. And then I just want to know how many of these can I have?
Yeah.
What?
An eval you can get done in a month. Come on.
I mean, I could sling it and get it done today, bro. We can just do it,
Yeah.
like, just risk it all today.
If it's a consistency score, 2 days, whatever. And that's even like with the Elite Access or the Elite Daily.
Tell Matt Leach to tune into the stream and ask him, why is it not clear how many of these accounts I can have?
They don't want it to be.
Yeah, well, duh, Evan. Duh. Let's ask their stupid bot. Spark. Please click here to see all of our options. I don't want your options. I have a question. Need help.
Which account? The Pro Sim?
Why can't I just
Pro
ask the
plan?
question? Why does it need to know my name? This is like the police asking me for identification before they talk to me. You don't need my ID. How many pro accounts can I have in eval phase and in funded phase? And why is it not clear on your fucking website? Team will get back to you on this. What? Some prop firms have the worst customer service, bro. It's the easiest question in the world. I'm not even on here publicly. Like, I mean, we are live on social. I'm not trying to roast my funded futures, but like, what the fuck? I want to spend money, Matt. I want to buy from you. What the fuck? Why can't you just make it clear how many I can buy? It's not that complicated. It should just go right here in the FAQ. If I tweet at him, I know he'll answer too.
Says
There
you
we
can hold a
go.
maximum of 10 active evaluation accounts at any time.
Yep.
Sim funded, you
Max
can
active
maintain up to
sim.
5 active sim funded accounts at the same time.
Max 50K flex plan. That would mean you could sell 5 SF account, for example, with 2 rapid. What's SF?
Straight funded?
No. You can, for clarity, these limits apply with a focus on 50K accounts. You can maintain 5 sim funded accounts at one time. Feel free to mix and match 25 and 50. For larger accounts, for the builder plan, it's like literally not what I asked. I'm asking about pro plan only. How many can I have? Is it 10? Complicated questions, huh? I'm stumping my funded futures support. Heat map this morning. Just checking on this again. Netflix up. Microsoft, Google up. Micron down. AMD's down 8 now. So that's dropped another %. Intel's down. Nvidia's up. Amazon's up. Walmart's up. Alibaba's up. Eli Lilly. So SpaceX is the main one to talk about. $4 gap up on SPY. Google's going to move here. Yeah, look at that.
Doing some
Now
options, shall we? When are we gonna start doing options with like an actual select stock? Too much.
Yeah.
Let's learn to crawl before we run.
NVIDIA here. Now we're at 215. Taking that all-time high VWAP.
I mean, Randy should be $100 or so away from passing his Vanquish today, so hopefully we'll get that on stream. And then
Did you see the thing I sent you yesterday of that like $17 million options thing from
Yeah.
Lucci? Yeah.
yeah, that's not him though, right? Is it?
No. So that's basically saying 880 is 25% higher. So that would mean by next summer, that person says we have to make a 25% gain in the queues, or there'll be anything under 880, that $15 million is worthless. The way that trade is, according to Grok and stuff, the way that trade was presented in that screenshot. Under 880, the contracts are still worthless. So he thinks we will be above 880. He thinks that's a minimum. Isn't that crazy?
A whole year from now, yeah, 22%.
Do you know how much money, bro? If we go to even 900, if he's $20 in the money on the queues, you know how much money those $15 million will be worth? Look, there's another guy here. I'll send you this real quick. Look at this before we go start the other stream. I said this to Randy.
720.
This guy, the TA Warrior Pro on Instagram, doesn't show his face, but he shows you these crazy options trades, these sweeps they call them, these big options trades that come in. 5 million, 3 million, 5 million, 3 million calls yesterday on SPY at like 10:45, and then it just ripped. So similarly to watching big orders and stuff like that, big options trades, you can see guys will come in and put $35 million up and make $70 million by the end of the day.
Yeah.
The money in options
about.
is massive. It's under, it's like, it's so much more money than futures or stocks every day.
Yep. And the risk is more, I guess.
In some way, yeah.
What you stand to lose could be. That's still under your control, but yeah. I guess to make big money, a lot of time you got to put up big, which makes sense.
Definitely.
But you can still get outsized gains relative to what you risked. Risk $6,000 to go make 60. Pretty good flip. But we got 10 minutes until the open. We're just holding above it. Overnight view up on all three indices. So obviously the clear direction is long. We'll just see how the open shakes out. What side of the range breaks first? Could we get a double break short? Do we just get a rip higher and trend higher? There's a pull back first, then we find a double break long. There's just obviously a bunch of options. And we'll find one way or another to trade it. But we'll see how the first 15 minutes shakes out. Maybe we go to YM again. Close to its VWAP.
I just like NVIDIA a lot. It just looks so good to go back into that all-time high, doesn't it? Look at that thing, dude. The question is, how quick do we go to that price? Let's talk about it on the mainstream today, everybody. We'll see you on there in a minute.
Yeah.
Thanks for hanging out pre-market. ASFX TV, 7-day free trial, link in my bio.